Hello students, today we are going to study chapter 3 exercise. The chapter name is From Tasting to Digesting, class 5 EVS. In the previous video we had seen this chapter. In this chapter we had seen different kind of taste of different foods, then the location of different taste bud on our tongue, then how the food is travel in our body, what is the path for this food that is travel in our body. Then we had seen one incident that is happened with Neetu, that once she got fainted and doctor gave her a ORS solution and glucose drip. Then we had seen how the digestion process is discovered by the scientist, that is Dr. Beaumont, and his observation. And then we had seen what is good food and good health. Then after we had seen the story of Gomti, who is not getting proper food. So now let we start our exercise. So in this exercise, question 1 is match the following. Here in one column the food item is given to you, and on the other side the taste of this food item is given to you. In first column lemon, karela, laddu and chips is given, whereas in the column of taste its taste is given to you, that is salty, sour, bitter and sweet. So first is lemon. So its taste is sour taste. Next is karela, that is bitter gourd. Its taste is bitter. Next is laddu. So its taste is sweet. And then last one, that is chips, and its taste is salty. So these are the answer of this matching. So here the answer is also given to you. In one column food item, and on the other side the taste of this food item, that is lemon. Taste of lemon is sour. The taste of karela, that is bitter gourd, is bitter. The taste of laddu is sweet, and chips salty. Next question, that is choose the correct option or tick the food item. That first one, taste salty. The example is given to you: eggs, cooked vegetables, fish and raw vegetables. You have to tick whose taste is salty. So answer is also given to you, that is cooked vegetables. The taste of this cooked vegetable is salty. Next is taste sweet. So options are curd, tomatoes, jaggery and milk. So your answer is jaggery. The taste of jaggery is sweet. Next is taste sour. So its option is bread, turmeric, cashew and sugar. So your answer is turmeric. Its taste is sour taste. Next is taste bitter. The options are potato, herbs, bitter gourd and amla. So the taste of bitter gourd is bitter. So these are the answers for your choose the correct option. The answers is already given to you. The next question is fill in the blanks. So let's start with the blanks. First blank is Rashmi has very thin legs and a pot belly because of not getting blank food. So your answer is proper food. Rashmi has very thin legs and a pot belly because of not getting proper food. Next blank, Kailash is fat and flabby because of not eating proper blank. Again the same problem with the Kailash, that he is fat and flabby because he not eating proper food. So your answer is food. Next is proper food is every child's blank. So answer is right. Proper food is every child's right. The next blank is digestion begins in the blank. So digestion begins in the mouth. The answer is mouth. Next blank, Dr. Beaumont's experiments on blank became famous across the world. So your answer is digestion. He performed the experiment on the process of digestion. So Dr. Beaumont's experiments on digestion became famous across the world. Next blanks, We should eat food slowly and blank it well. So we should eat food slowly and chew it well. So answer is chew. Next is one should be given a blank and blank solution when one has loose motion and vomiting. So answer is salt and sugar. One should be given a salt and sugar solution when one has loose motion and vomiting. Next is a blank drip is given to a patient for instant energy. So glucose drip is given to a patient for instant energy. Next blank, Dr. Blank found that food is digested in the stomach by an acidic juice. So Dr. Beaumont found that food is digested in stomach by an acidic juice. Next blank, the food that is needed for proper growth and development of a child is called blank. It is called proper food. So the food that is needed for proper growth and development of a child is called proper food. So answer is proper food. Next blanks. A person is given a blank and blank solution when he has loose motion and vomiting. This blank we had already seen earlier. So a person is given a sugar and salt solution when he has loose motion and vomiting. Next blank, a blank drip is given for instant energy. This blank also we had seen. The glucose drip is given for instant energy. The next blank is our blank change with time. So our taste change with time. The answer is taste. Next blank, pizzas and burgers are example of blank food. So pizzas and burgers are examples of junk food. These are the junk foods. Next blank, to get blank and blank food is the right of every child. So to get enough and proper food is the right of every child. The answer is enough and proper food. Next, 6th number, in Kalahandi, many laborers died due to blank. So in Kalahandi, many laborers died due to hunger. The answer is hunger. The next is the juices in the stomach are blank. So the juices in the stomach are acidic in behavior. The answer is acidic. So now next question is write one word answer or one word for the following. In that first one, the process of breaking down food in simple form which the body can use. So this process is known as digestion. So answer is digestion. The next question is tiny bumps present on the tongue. So these tiny bumps on tongue are known as taste buds. The answer is taste buds. The next question, the liquid in your mouth that helps in digestion. So the liquid in your mouth that helps in the digestion is known as saliva. Your answer is saliva. Next, a muscular bag in your body that churns food. It is known as blank. So a muscular bag in your body that churns food, that bag or that organ is known as stomach. Next is food like burgers, pizza that make you unhealthy. So this type of food is known as junk food. So the answer is junk food. Next question is very short answer type question. That is in one word or one sentence. So in this first question, name the process of breaking down food in simple form in our body. So the process in which food breaks down into simple form is called digestion. So this process is known as digestion. Next is name the liquid in the mouth that helps in digestion. So saliva present in the mouth helps in digestion. So that liquid's name is saliva. Next question, name the muscular bag in our body that churns food. So this bag is known as stomach. So the answer is stomach. Next question, what term is used for the food items like burger and pizza that makes a person unhealthy. So that food item is known as junk food. So your answer is junk food. Next is question answer. Think and answer. In that first question, how does a piece of bread taste after you chew it for some time? So it starts to taste sweet. After chewing a bread, its taste becomes sweet. So after a time, its taste will become sweet. The next is, how does your stomach help in the digestion of food? So stomach churns the food, so food gets digested easily. So this is how the stomach help in the digestion of food, by churning the food. The next question, write the symptoms a child will show if he or she does not get roti or rice to eat during the day. So the child will become very weak and thin and will have a pot belly. Child who is not getting roti or rice to eat during a day will become a very weak and thin and will have a pot belly. Next question, what symptoms will a child show who eats only junk food and leads a sedentary, that is inactive lifestyle? So a child who eats only junk food will be fat and flabby and would not be very active. So it looks like this. He will be fat and flabby and would not be very active. Next question, answer the question. In this first one, what food items do you like to eat? So I like to eat all types of food items. Next question, what food items do you not like to eat and why? So I don't like to eat much spicy food because my mouth burns and it is not healthy for the body. Next is, what is the main function of the tongue? What are the 4 types of taste? So to taste the food, we are using our tongue, or it's the function of tongue to taste the food. And there are major 4 types of taste. It is sweet, salty, sour taste and bitter taste. Next question, why should we chew food properly? So we should chew the food properly so that it can get digested easily. So here the reason for the question is given to you. Next question, what do you do when you feel hungry? So when I feel hungry, I eat food. Next question, when and why is a glucose drip given? So glucose drip is given to patients who are very weak and it gives instant energy. That's why doctors are giving glucose drip to the patients who are very weak. Next question, who was Dr. Beaumont and what did he find? So Dr. Beaumont treated Martin, who was shot in his stomach. He did many experiments to find out how food gets digested and how digestive juices work. The next question, why should we eat proper food? So proper food is required for a healthy body, which includes rice, dals, vegetables and fruits. That is why we have to eat proper food. Next question, 9 number, does food taste good when you have a cold? And if not, then give the reason. So no, we do not get any taste when we have cold, as our nose is blocked and we don't get the smell of our food. Next question, why do you feel weak when you have an upset stomach and vomiting? So when we vomit and have an upset stomach, we are not able to keep any food or water into our stomach. That's why we feel weak. Next question, what is the function of saliva present in the mouth? So saliva helps or make the food soft and helps in digestion. So this is the function of saliva. Next question, the kind of work a person does and the kind of food he eats are closely related. Give an example to support this statement. So, a laborer does hard work under the sun. So, he needs energy giving food, whereas a person sitting in office does not need as much as food needed by the laborer. So, this statement, these answers satisfy or give the support to the given statement. Next question, why was Neetu given glucose drip? So Neetu's body had become very weak and it was not keeping any food or water. Dr. Auntie gave her the glucose drip so that she can gain some strength quickly even without eating. So that is why Neetu was given glucose drip. Next question. Neetu's teacher used to tell the girls to have glucose while playing hockey. Why do you think she did this? So glucose provides instant energy and a lot of energy is exhausted while playing hockey. Therefore, Neetu's teacher used to tell girls to have glucose while playing hockey. The next question, why can you not taste food properly when you have a cold? So our sense of smell and taste are interlinked. During cold, our nose, that is nasal passage, is blocked and we do not get the aroma or flavor of food. And therefore we cannot taste food properly when we have a cold. Next question, if we were to say that digestion begins in the mouth, how would you explain this? So in mouth, our food is mixed with a fluid called saliva. Saliva moistens and softens our food and breaks carbohydrates. Therefore, digestion of food begins in the mouth. That's why we can say this. Next question. Have you tasted glucose and how does it taste? So yes, I have tasted glucose in games period and it is sweet in taste. Next is, what do you understand by proper food? So proper food means a nutritious food in sufficient amount as per the need of a person. This is the proper food. Next question is, give the reasons for the following. In that first one, sometimes people hold their nose before taking a medicine. Give the reason why. So along with tasting our food, we also smell our food to get the full taste. Holding our nose helps us to avoid the smell of bitter medicines and helps us to have the medicine easily. That's why people hold their nose before taking a medicine. Next reason, we cannot taste food properly when we have a cold. This one we had already seen in question answer. So our sense of smell help us to get the complete taste of our food. When we have a cold, our nose is blocked, so we are not able to smell the food and hence not able to taste the food properly. That is why we cannot taste food properly when we have a cold. So this chapter gets over here, and in the next video we will see our next chapter, chapter 4, mangoes round the year. Thank you.